What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Adventure Gold AGLD, which has gone for a major increase in value. As you can see, 37% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $1.25. So what we're going to be looking at in today's video is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? And also looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? And looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Adventure Gold go, and is a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down just about 0.26% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we do have AGLD as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it managed to gain over nearly 3% in value. It's been quite volatile, but it has been moving towards a positive direction. Over the last 24 hours, we do have 36% up, as you can see, with consistently gaining value throughout the last 24 hours. Over the week, it has gained 80% in value, guys. So over the last 7 days, once again, consistent gains in value, mainly today and yesterday, but as you can see, it's been slowly growing. And over the month, it is a massive 178% up, guys. So yes, this is a crypto to look out for. Yes, it has been pumping quite a bit. I know it's very tempting to buy the crypto right now, especially when you look at the 4 weeks chart and it's gone up nearly 200%. It's like, yes, it's a crypto that's going to go up in value at a slow and steady pace. But you guys have to remember, this is cryptocurrency, is a very volatile market. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 220% in the last 24 hours, making it $57 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase and a huge amount of money currently being traded on AGLD, as there's a lot more buyers right now, as well as a lot of sellers, as it is one of the top gainers, which is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and top trending as well. Even on Binance, as you can see, top gainers, we do have AGLD as number one. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AGLD, which is here in purple at 77 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in red at $1.25, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and it is looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic, guys. Again, as guys can see, it's looking very steep. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, yes, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that's not realistic over the next 12 to 14 hours. Even though, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting anything major. Indeed, what I am expecting is for it to hit just about $1.30, $1.35 is where I'm expecting AGLD to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. But again, do expect red candles in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit dip in between, and gains as well up and down. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So far, so good for AGLD. But if you are into crypto for the short term, guys, it's at your own risk, but I wouldn't invest into AGLD for the short term, as it is likely to take little dips in between, especially after this pump that's taken place. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, very similar. We still got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it is not realistic. Again guys, over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week, I'm expecting AGLD to again go for an overall increase in value, but nothing major. Potentially hitting about $1.60 to $1.65 is where I'm expecting AGLD to be heading to by mid next week. Again, that also does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, where it's likely to take a little dip, and green days as well, up and down, but the green days are very likely to take over the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from AGLD over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again guys, looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic once again. But what I am expecting is for AGLD to be hitting nearly about $3 over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. Potentially by mid-September, late September 2023, AGLD should be trading around near about the $3 mark. Yes, it may come across as a shock to you guys, especially that it's only at $1.25 right now, and for it to hit $3 is going to have to go for a major increase in value. But again, we have to bear in mind that's in about 2 months time. This also depends, of course, on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs. I have been hearing positive news on Bitcoin for the rest of the year, that we are likely to see more gains in value, potentially heading up to $50,000, which hopefully does happen. But again, I'm not going to comment on that anymore. These are things that I've seen online. I will be doing my own prediction on it as well very soon. But again, Bitcoin has a major play in the crypto market. If it does manage to pump up to that much over the next couple of months, then yes, we will see AGLD hitting $3 very soon. But if it does somehow manage to drop down to 20k, then we are likely to see major drops in the crypto market, including AGLD as well. But hopefully we do move towards a positive direction. So as mentioned in the thumbnail, when is AGLD likely to hit the $2 mark? Potentially, guys, early August is when I'm expecting early to mid August is when I'm expecting AGLD to be hitting the $2 mark. Again, as you guys can see, it's not far away, but it's going to have to go through a slow and steady increase in value. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Adventure Gold, guys. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to be hitting the $2 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.